Okay, here we go. Bro, I can't open more wider than this.
Here we are, baby.
Nope.
Bro! It's almost like fourth shot that he couldn't cross it from my leg. Come on, bring it! Almost.
I'm only flying FPV for 1.5 months or something like that, and my first drone was Cineon C35 Cinewhoop, which gave me a horrible flight time because it was 6S and I was only getting like 5 minutes. So at first I didn't know what I wanted, but later on when I got that, I realized what I needed is longer flight time, and I love cinematic flying, so I need a cruiser. I'm here to test out my new quad, which is a micro long range Gap RC Baby Crocodile. Wow, that was a mouthful. But yeah, I'm really excited. My first flight, and there's this beautiful Grand Canyon here, which is crazy. It looks amazing. So I'm planning to go down there and then do my test flight. I've heard that you can get crazy flight time with it. I have only 850 LiPo, so let's see what kind of flight time we can get out of it. Planning to go down, but I definitely don't want to take these ropes to go down. I'm gonna take the trail on the side and go all the way down. Guys, this is the trail I have to take. I'm gonna use this trail to go down. We're going down. Yeah, I'm definitely lost. I mean, that's the whole adventure about FPV. You go, get lost, find yourself a nice spot and just have a good flight. Just enjoy the nature. Oh my God, I made it. Can't get over the fact that how tiny this thing is. I got 9 minutes flight time with the 850 mAh battery, which is crazy. It flies so smooth, and I feel like I have so much more control over this quad, and I can just go hit the gaps with this and without any fear. I have so much more confidence. Especially with these foldable props, because obviously size matter for me because I travel a lot, and these 4S batteries are so small and so tiny, and it gives me amazing flight time. I think this is a perfect quad for me.